Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 3, 4.3. Simple if statement. In the previous concept I explained that if is having some variance. The first one is simple if, second one if and else, third one nesting of if else, the fourth one is else if. Now let us focus on one by one to know their functionalities. Simple if, this is called one-way branching. Now I will explain to you. First let us see the syntax. If is a keyword and we have to write in lowercase. Thereafter immediately following we have to write the condition. This condition should be a Boolean condition. That means the result of this, whenever the condition is evaluated, the result may be either true or false. And one convention always you remember, here I leave a space. It's a convention, not a rule. Actually, whenever you are writing the names of methods like POW, then you write it immediately. Suppose main you have written, main, then don't leave space. But whenever you are writing selection statements, selection control, loop control, etc. statements, they are looking like functions or methods, but those are not methods. That point you have to understand. Okay. Then for them, you leave a space here and you write the condition. Thereafter, you have to create a block. When you are creating a block, always two spaces you leave and create. Then you can identify the block very easily because there is nesting of block. Later you see that we make a deeper nesting. In such case, this type of alignment, indentations you make, the readability is high. Otherwise, there is a lot of confusion. So, this is the block. And here, you should not write semicolon. Why you should not write semicolon? These selection control statements, loop control statements and all that, regardless of the size, regardless of the number of lines in them, this is treated as a single statement. That's why you should not write semicolon here. That point you have to understand. Thereafter, the executable statements. Executable statement 1, executable statement 2, executable statement n. Like that, depending on the requirement, any number of executable statements you can write here. Right here, there is no limit on that. But one issue is there. Actually, this block is not compulsory if there is only one statement. Suppose executable statement, only one you are writing, block is not compulsory. Block is not compulsory, but however, as a group practice, if is having one statement or n number of statements, you create a block. Here also you should not write a semicolon. That point you have to understand. Okay, now let us see the flowchart. Now we see, already I told you the condition is represented by a diamond symbol, and in that you have to write. And in this, we consider only true. If it is true, certain statements are executed. If it is true, certain statements are executed. In case of false, it does not define any action. If working day, college is working day, you do like this. That's it. College holiday, it does not define any action. That's why it is called one-way branching. Only one branch. Suppose this is that. Only one branch you can find. So later we see two branch. Then you can find branches like this, two alternative actions. So in this manner, you have to identify, and where you do not bother about the condition is false, then you can write a simple if statement, and we rarely write this one. And if you see the example, if salary is same example, salary per month is greater than or equal to 15,000, and IT deduction is salary into 0.5. That means 5% of the monthly salary is deducted towards the IT provision. In that way, we have to write.